Hey there, and welcome to Fabric Monday number 350. I've got some really exciting things to share this week, new arrivals, restocks, and a few things you won't want to miss. So here's what's new at Meander Make this week. Maple Syrup Disco has finally arrived after its long delay. We've got 2 brand new Widebacks, and Petal Passion is back in stock with bundles and yardage. Let's start with Maple Syrup Disco. This gorgeous collection is full of warm autumn tones. Think browns, corals, and cozy golds. It's finally here and ready to ship, and I couldn't be happier with how these prints turned out. If you pre-ordered, your order is on the way. I've already made a few projects using Maple Syrup Disco. I love how they sew up. It's all geometrics and blenders. Here are some photos of what I've made. Hopefully they give you some ideas for your next quilt too. We've also added 2 new 118-inch Widebacks to the shop. One matches Maple Syrup Disco and the other coordinates with Petal Passion. They're both soft and perfect for finishing your quilts. And speaking of Petal Passion, it's back. We've restocked both the bundles and the yardage. This collection is a favorite, so I expect it to go pretty quickly. But all those soft pinks, peaches, and greens are so easy to mix into any project. And before we wrap up, if you're interested in upcoming kits or new fabric collections, make sure to check out our pre-order section. There's always something fun coming soon, and pre-ordering is the best way to make sure you don't miss your favorite collections, especially kits. Most of our kits are only available in the pre-order period. Thanks so much for watching Fabric Monday. You can find everything I talked about today, Maple Syrup Disco, Petal Passion, Widebacks, and more over at meandermake.com. There's links right below this video. I'll see you next Monday with more pretty fabrics.